I want to see your rides on this channel. That's right. I'm starting a new series called Viewers Rides. Every month I'm going to show the top 10 best vehicles that you guys send me on my channel. Let's get into how it works. Right, here we go. Basically, I don't care if it's a project vehicle, if it's a custom car that you're building, if it's a rat rod, if it's a show vehicle, I don't care. As long as you haven't got somebody else, as long as you haven't paid somebody else to build it, that's not your build, is it? That's someone else's build, you've just paid for it. Anyway, I'm going off topic here. I want to see your builds, basically. I want you guys to send me your builds, okay? You've all seen my builds. This isn't about who's got the biggest budget, okay? I don't care if you've got £4,000 BBS wheels. I don't care if you've got, like, if you've just got yourself a Golf and you fitted £6,000 worth of air ride and you bought the, £4,000 worth of wheels and you just slammed it, but that's all you've done, I'm not interested, right? You can see them at every show. I want creativity, I want passion. I want people that really spend the weekends doing the stuff themselves. People that, get onto their cars and they've got to fix this just because they love driving it. Right? I daily my cars. I daily all of my cars that I put work into. Do you know what I mean? All my builds, that little rat truck, right? That is my daily for work. I want to see your passions, okay? I don't want none of these high price, high end builds, none of that. I'm talking to the people like me out there, okay? Send me your stuff. If you're on Instagram and that, send me your things. I'll big you up. Now, this is how it's going to work. This is my email address, right here. Hope I've done that correctly. Right here, there you go. Oh, email address, right? I'll also put it in the description below or wherever it is on the screen, but you get what I'm saying. And I want you guys to send me pictures. If it's pictures, send me different angles of your vehicle, and I want a description, everything you've done to it and stuff, so I can talk about it on the channel. I will be showing you vehicles on the channel, top 10 every month, okay? If you send me a video, if it's just a walk around, do a walk around and also give me information about the vehicle, or if you think you're good enough to talk to the camera, right? Like I'm talking to the camera now. If you think you can walk around and talk without going, without walking around and go, this is my Astra. I've got hubcaps. Yeah, I've fitted a stereo. I don't want that. A bit of vum. Anyway, yeah. If you know what I'm saying. So basically, yeah. If you want to send me videos and stuff like that, I will pick the top 10 that I think are the best to show on the channel each month. Don't worry, if your vehicle doesn't make it into the first video, it might make it into next month's video, okay? But I want to show 10 vehicles each time, and yeah, basically, I want to see what you guys are building. I want to see all your stuff. I'm going to show it on the channel. I will showcase you. If you've got an Instagram or something, I'll even big it up. Here we go, okay? So, I want you to send me all your stuff. Email address is here. It's also in the description below. Let's see what you got, people. Let's have a look. Viewers Rides. Let's show off what this community can do. Let's show off what we can build. Let's show people what we can do with no bloody money. Okay? Let's show people what creativity, I nearly bit my nose in. Let's show people what creativity and imagination can do. Alright? Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And yeah. Let's see the next one, and maybe the next one might be your rides. So it should be good.